Imashe bengeyokulwa nesihlava sokucwaswa egcina ijoyini amaqembu ezombusazwe ezwelana nabagilwa egamekweni zezibhelu. Amakhulu ngamakhulu amalungu e-EFF ephethe ingqwembe egxipha ukucwasa ecula namaculo omzabalazo ekhwele dilika ekubulaweni kwabantu abansundu. Bangu-36 abantu ababulewe ePhoenix, kulabo abangu-30 babo badutshulwa. Leli qembu likholwa ukuthi lezo igameko zayiphehlwa ubuhlanga njengoba bebaleli insundu babemiswa kwivimbamgwaqo.
For the last 300 years, black people in this country, Africans, we are the only ones who are advocating and been fighting for peace. We've been calling for unity in this country of different races. We've been calling for equality in this country. These other races, they only respond to us with exclusion and violence.
Amaphoyisa namasosha awasalanga ngaphandle egxekweni.
Chapter 11 of the Constitution is clear. Protect and serve the citizens of the country. But our police force, we saw them in the last 2 weeks. They are no longer protecting the citizens of this country. They become security guards of Macro and Spa and Pick and Pay. We're not going to allow that.
Amaphoyisa belinkanise phansi nasesibhakabhakeni ukuqinisekisa ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle. Amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe ajoyine le mashi.
I am the national leader of the African Democratic Change. It doesn't mean that by joining this march, working with the EFF, that I subscribe to what the EFF does or what they say. I differ with them on a number of issues. But on the issue of bringing peace between the different communities, I stand with them.
I-EFF iyasiphikisa isibalo sabantu ababulewe ePhoenix. Ey'ndabeni ze-SABC, nginguVusi Khumalo, eThekwini.